I want to welcome you back again for another story answering the question, is God active? Today I am here with Greg Wellman. He was working in Devil's Lake, but hold on, there might be more to the story that you and I want to hear.
Now most, guys don't like that. That's pretty.
It's not good.
What's the matter, honey? She says, oh, the wash machine broke down, and we have two little kids, and they're both in diapers, and we don't have enough money to, Pampers was a luxury, but we had all these cloth diapers, and you're washing every day when you have little kids, and the wash machine broke down. And this wash machine, I actually had put a new motor in it. I got a motor. I think I paid $25 for this motor and put it in.